We're off. That's it. We're off. Pretty cool.
Vad det?
Hello. Go on. Probably nice looking down.
Coming in. He's open the gate. Cambrian Way.
Oh, it's better this side this way actually.
Never mind, we're going this way. Cambrian Way. Which way, Jeff?
Straight on.
Straight on.
Street view actually. Doesn't go up here. Because it says our guy for the road closed.
How much of a road is it?
It is, see? Cambrian Way sign up.
Back on track. Whee. Close that. Close that.
You could have easily missed that, couldn't you?
Yeah. Pretty hidden away.
So I was looking at some like Google images and stuff, just researching, you know. And I thought, well, that looks interesting.
It's easiest to walk on.
So it looks like this has been closed legally, just the 4x4 people coming down.
Bluebells, look. Bluebells, 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 bluebells. Is that where the camera picks up? So we look like we're sponsored by Osprey. Maybe that's what we'll do, we'll get some free kit off Osprey when they see this video.
I'm not big. I bet that water's cold.
What do you say?
I bet the water's cold.
It is fresh.
Looks great though, fair play.
Fair play.
See ya. Cool, isn't it? You gotta take a photo of that.
What? I think I've been here before.
Venice 1105. Well, yak it up, boy.
Look at that.
Cheers. Can't believe you're having a half.
That looks tiny, isn't it?
It does look tiny, doesn't it? Yeah, that's nice. I was not expecting a pup.
No, no. That's it. 200 miles in. Doing alright, man.
Yeah. For a morning, that's a good morning's walk, I think.
That's actually not too bad. Oof, that plant's nice, man.
Is it?
Joy.
3 hours 13 we've been walking. We've been there.
I was looking at the 1913. There, way there. 1913. That one.
Yeah. Oh, it's very low, isn't it? The river.
Looks clear though. Look at how clear it looks.
Oh yeah. A little fish jumped there, I just saw.
I do it?
Saw something jump up. Not cool down there.
No, it was just extra weight. Go buy some in there. Going strong.
Easy.
We are actually doing it right, to be fair. Lembas bread. Oh, what was it called? What's this stuff called?
Kendall mint cake.
Kendall mint cake. One bite will keep a man going for 40 weeks or something. Your top tree name is Hornbeam, is that correct?
Top tree name, Hornbeam.
What is your favourite tree though?
Hornbeam.
In terms of look, what's your favourite tree?
Oak.
Yeah, you can't beat oak, can you?
Can't beat oak.
Can't beat oak. It's classic. It's a bit of a basic answer, but it's... Can't beat it.
Quality wins.
You heard it here first.
Tree's got everything. Got some woodage going on. Got foliage, and it's got nuts. Importantly. So,
What more can you want from a tree then?
look at that.
Look at that.
Forgotten barley.
There's a house at the top there.
Yeah, I know. We're feeling it now.
257 miles in, something like that.
Something.
360. Camp set up. shabby. Right, cheers.
Yeah.
Oh, to be fair, yeah, this side of the hammock is pretty wet. Well, we survived. That's the main thing. Right, and we're leaving the camp. Look at that. Leave no trace. Slightly different vibe today. Packed man. Camp over there.
So we went above that second road, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, wasn't it?
Turtle it. What's the turd? I missed it. Look at that.
Still in there, yeah. We're overflowing it here.
Cool away.
That first. Well, that's the ramp there, I suppose.
I see the valley across that way. Looks really cool.
Yeah, cool. This is where you wish you had your drone, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's sheep on the top of that
Yeah.
peak there. That's cool, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, lean too much on it.
You look over there. Decent, isn't it?
It's bad.
you feel a bit weird?
He's a bit. Oh god.
Put him on the grass.
Yeah, he's been.
He might have been hit.
Hang on, mate.
If you don't get squished.
Boys. Halfway, day 2. Let's have a break.
Empty.
Drop it. Be good, isn't it? Dropping it. Final pit stop, potentially.
Huh?
Final pit stop, maybe. Maybe.
Yeah, I don't know.
Potentially. Right, let's get going. Feet and legs are feeling it now. Last stop. 1 mile to go.
Shafted shells of a hole myself.
You don't like pylons around here, do you?
There are plans to put pylons through, you see. To be fair, it would spoil this valley with the views we've seen.
Yeah.
There's a big set of pylons from there. Fucking awful.
Sod it, maybe I'll just go let it slip. I'll go cover the camera, and then when I open. Hey, unbelievable. Easy running.
It's cake, I see.
So, what was that? 450 miles?
Yeah.
450 over 2 days.
Yeah.
Not too bad, really.
500 extra.
Yeah. No star.